Hey, this is Cool Trains in Montreal, and I got this westbound CP train here at 2:45 p.m. on a Saturday afternoon here at Dorval after just coming in on the bus. Maybe 1:33, I guess. Here in the snow conditions that we got not too long ago. Like a typical lash up. ES44s. A typical 133, I think. It's not too chilly today. So it's the what are we now? 19th. The 19th of November 2022. About 2 days after a snowstorm. We got a minor dusting today. And all in all, not too bad a day. I'm also not too far from the CN tracks. See if maybe there'll be a train coming that way. If so, I'll be in a position to get both. That's interesting. The container jacked up seemingly on nothing. I don't think I've ever seen that before. I have no idea what would be under that blue tarp. And here comes the Via train. Typical LRC contest. Making its station stop over there at Dorval. And that's the end of that train. If I had gotten off the bus over at the Sources overpass, I would have got it there. Oh well. Nothing seems to be coming there. And there's the Via train taking on passengers over there at the station. And nothing over there. Alright, so if you like what I do, please subscribe to Cool Trains in Montreal. Have a good day.